Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me today, a little bit of cleaning, and I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing. So my baby is sleeping right now here. While he sleeps, I'm going to see what I can do as far as getting my house clean and getting ready. So let's go. I usually make my bed right as I get up in the morning, but my baby's sleeping in it, so I'm gonna let him sleep as long as he wants till I get that made. But yeah, I'm gonna be getting dressed first and then doing this hair and makeup. I'm using some Drunk Elephant skincare today, like a hydration serum. I love it. It feels so good on my skin. This one's a little eye cream. Then I'm going to use a little bit of this whipped cream. So I'm going to let that all set in for a second while I get my hair done before I do my foundation. I was going to use this Dyson Airwrap today, but I feel like my hair is looking super curly, like wavy naturally. So I'm just going to pull out my waver and just crimp a little bit of the top pieces and have it all blend in. I showered last night, so when my hair air dries, like without a blow dryer, I feel like it gets super curly. So I'm using this Hot Tools hair waver. I got it at Costco like a year or 2 years ago. And it's still been working awesome. It's the Hot Tools brand and it's available on Amazon as well. My hair already has so much of like a curl to it. Super wavy. It kind of matches the style of crimper. So I usually just grab some of the top pieces and then crimp those and just have it all blend in. What's in bed? Come here. Want to get dressed? Okay. Kitchen? Wait, open that. Baby wants to be held 24/7, huh? You deaf? I'm gonna start my April PR unboxing. This package is from Wildbird. So cute. These are for Rickson. They're little sleep sets. These are little sleepers, pajamas. So excited about this carrier. This is the Wildbird Aerial Carrier. This color is so beautiful. I'm so excited to wear this all summer. Thank you so much, Wildbird. Ooh, look how pretty. Yeah, shampoo and conditioner. Tea tree and rosemary. How beautiful. Thank you so much for here. You guys are always keeping me stocked in your products, and I love them. Hey. Kite Baby. Cute. Look at this little PR package from Kite Baby. The cutest little toys. Little goat. Pajamas sets for all 4 of my children. And the cutest little duck print. So cute. Thank you so much, Kite Baby. We have 2 packages from Kite Baby. Let's see what the other one is. This is way too cute. This is way too cute. Okay, 1 second. Let's show what it is. Oh my goodness, how cute. We have a little lemon, a watermelon slice. They actually come apart. So cute. Just in time for summer. A watermelon print. And look at all these beautiful lemon prints. Thank you so much, Kite Baby. This one's from Good Molecules. I think this one is. Ooh, this is such a bright and pretty package. Box skincare from Good Molecules. Thank you so much, Good Molecules. I'm so excited. A package from Grace Personalized. This is so cute. It's like just in time for Mother's Day. Okay, so it has Zachary, Vienna, True, and Rixon. All the names on this beautiful gold necklace. It's gold, but it's made out of sterling silver. It has a little bracelet and it says peace on it. Customize them however you'd like. This is so cute. There's a little bag for it. Thank you so much, Grace Personalized. These are so cute. Ooh, let's do this one. So this package is from Drunk Elephant. I recently started using Drunk Elephant skincare and I love it. It's so nice on my skin. I'm so excited about these. So we have some rosy drops, some bright drops, and then we have cream. Thank you so much, Drunk Elephant. I have been loving your skincare the past month. It's been amazing. This one. These are my favorite products. So these are from Cocoa Kind. I was actually just out of my revitalizing eye cream, so it came just in time. We have revitalizing eye cream, my barrier serum. We have this resurrection cream. So pretty. Thank you so much, Cocoa Kind. Oh, we have another package from Cocoa Kind. We love Cocoa Kind. Let's open them together. Ooh. Favorite serum, I love it. We have a big bottle and a regular bottle. Let's see how this big bottle looks. I've been waiting to see. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, come here, baby. Okay.
Mom.
There we go.
Open. This is my watermelon.
Taking a little eating break for Rixon. You want to hold that in your hand? It says Mark Anthony on it. Ooh, that's such a pretty PR package. We have conditioner, shampoo, and then a hair mask. So pretty. Okay, let's not make a mess. This one is from Nudes. This is size 4T. So True, this is for you.
Yay!
This is for you. It's gonna fit you perfect. There's little joggers that go with it.
Yeah, that's just for you.
Oh my goodness, this is so soft and cute. This is for True. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute. It's such a cute little black jogger set. Okay, I'm pretty sure these got sent a little bit later and they arrived later because this is for Zachary, and last month I got the gray joggers that went to this, and then Rixon got a really cute brown outfit. So thank you so much, Nudes. These are so cute. This is actually from my cousin. They have like a vitamin company. They're called Gummy Goodies. So we have a sleep and relaxation gummy and then a dietary supplement gummy. And I'm excited to try them. They're called knockout gummies, and these ones are daily multivitamin bites from Gummy Goodies. Ooh, this is so cute. So we have a superfood skin drip serum. I love these two people. Ooh, that's such a pretty green. My kids are a little more calm right now, so I'm gonna open up this one. This is from Visha Skincare, I think that's how you say it. We have a purifying cleanser, all over body foam, sugar shrink body scrub, 4-in-1 rejuvenating moisturizer, a correcting serum, as eye brightening booster. Thank you so much, Visha. These skin products are awesome. How fun! This is so fun. Okay, we have a Spike Ball Spike Paddle 4-pack. I've actually never played this one, but we play Spike Ball all summer on the beach. It's so much fun. So I was so excited when Spike Ball wanted to send me a PR package. I'm like, and then we have, this game is my favorite. If you've never played Spike Ball, you are missing out because it is so much fun. So we got a Spike Ball set. Thank you so much, Spike Ball. So we're gonna be using this all summer on Lake Powell in Malibu on the beach. This game is so much fun.